Hello Armando, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for you for the Kawasaki Z900RS. The motorcycle is available in our showroom if you wanna come take a look. So very happy to assist you. This is the brand new 0 kilometers and the price is only $11,888 plus HST and licensing. So you asked me a question, looks like you are inquiring to finance it. We do have finances, open loans for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, depends the amount of the money that you're looking for. And also we have a special program, 1 year, no payment. If you wanna reach me, please give me a call, 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you.